So we're back.
Jira, bro, make a Jira ticket for this one.
Jira ticket?
Top.
Wait,
No,
you're not
left
on
bottom.
Vikonja yet? Oh, right, you don't have a server. Gotcha.
Oh, wait, right bottom. I can say. You see Jira, bro? Click on that button. We gotta make a Jira ticket for you, Luber.
Wait, what?
Luber.
Yeah.
And I'm streaming the wrong stream. Or wrong
Bottom right on your browser.
Wait. I'm still not used to the. There, boom,
the Arch
nailed it.
Linux bullshit. Exactly.
Alright, hello Penguin Operator, what are you talking about?
Luber. Bottom right.
Or Jira? Yeah, I mean doing
press
Jira. We're doing
No,
Trello.
press it, bro.
Oh.
No, we are doing professional work, alright?
I don't
We
think
are
so.
very professional around here. So you make a Jira ticket for fixing the entire code base. I think that's worth like
Nah.
1 point.
Okay. Loban, when you get your first Steam paycheck, you need to spend it on server so you can host like a, your own infrastructure.
Yeah, but Loban doesn't really have that.
Since when am I called Loban?
Loban.
Since
I mean
now.
Uber. I mean
Goober.
Goober. No, Lugan. Lugan. Lugan.
Yeah.
I'm resting, rewatching Evangelion. Oh, I've heard about, or did I pronounce it completely wrong? T-shirt.
Yeah, Big L, you did.
Yeah, okay, well, Evangelion, whatever. He told me also to watch it. And it was also, was it Leon who told me to watch it?
Yeah, something like that.
I haven't done it yet. I'm always...
What the hell is this code, bro? What do you mean? Self-player ID equal acknowledge.id, bro.
What?
Hell no.
No, this is the world on the client side, so it knows who is the player in the world.
Yeah, Big L, I don't know about this one.
It makes perfect sense. Anyways.
Set currency. Ah, yes. I want euro. Yen. Dollar.
Maybe it should be gold. I don't know, but it doesn't really matter. It's currency as gold, whatever.
Set currency. Well, I mean, it could be like, the actual currency.
Yeah, because we have
we
have different currency here. It's not like you have
Yeah, that's kind of like all the mobile games. We have yen for the for the shit items and cosmetics, and then you have like dollars for the bit better one, and then you have used diamonds for the best.
Yes.
Yeah.
No, that's
and
crazy.
you have Luber tickets, and that is worth nothing, so you can't do anything with that.
That's crazy, bro. That's crazy.
They're actually worth negative money. So
Oh my god.
So you actually have to give the developers money.
Base.
Have those.
I mean, they're all negative money. You have to pay to get the gems like in Cash Clans.
Anyways, first of
No.
the things that I don't want healers to heal themselves. Apparently they try to do that, so I'm gonna fix that now.
They try to heal themselves?
Yeah,
Bro, how dare they try to heal themselves?
They're pretty freaking crazy.
I've been making music for PC, by the way.
Yeah, we gotta use music. We gotta make music, bro.
Yeah. Let's see.
Yeah, we can just have Lucas like rapping or something.
Yeah, based.
What?
Yo,
Yeah, wait,
what's
I'm gonna find a big. I'm gonna make a some text here.
Let's see, healer here. Because they found themselves as being the best entity to heal, which is not. Or entity.
Okay, Lucas. I mean, Big L. I found something you can rap to here. Okay, this can be in the game. Like you're rapping to that music, right?
Yeah,
And that's
I just gotta be honest with you. I don't rap.
What?
No, but that's fine. That's fine. It doesn't. You don't need to have it good, but just look at what the thing I sent you.
There's a.
Am I
this
gonna be
actually
copyrighted
happened
if I now check it out?
I don't think you'll be copyrighted for checking it out. Just don't sing too much of it yet.
Oh god.
Okay, maybe don't play
Jesus Christ.
too much of it, bro. Yeah, don't you like the in the thick of it?
Yeah, no. I mean, it's... That's
Yeah,
crazy,
bro.
bro.
You're just in the thick of it.
Now I ruined my search history.
Yeah.
No, I know the. Wait. Okay, I'm gonna send you song for stream. This is copyright free. This isn't under any label, so you won't get copyrighted for this one.
Mm.
No copyright. Yeah, that's my
Yeah.
bling.
There's no copyright because the rapper couldn't afford to get the label. But I mean, obviously,
Well, that's
Bro.
that sucks.
Oh my, bro. Actual ear cancer, bro. What is this?
Maybe
It's so loud. It's so loud. God damn, that's terrible to listen to.
don't worry, you'll get used to it, and then you wanna.
But I
Unless
wonder
you wanna
where
change
the attacks come from, because there shouldn't be anyone who use
Man,
act.
can we just remove the audio? I think the game was better without it, to be honest.
I haven't just made it good, alright?
Make
What
it
about new kind of bosses called angels? We do have one new the
Ah,
grass stone will kind of work like a boss, I think, but we are still working on it. And that would also be with the grass biome. I should add structures as well, I guess. That would be pretty
blah blah.
cool. Yeah.
Blah blah blah.
Who pinged me in the?
I did.
Do I dare to open that
I was
thing?
thinking something like this for the theme of Planetary Sigma.
Oh god.
Bro.
Remember the times we had, the times that me in my bag.
Oh yeah.
This is really fitting, bro. Yeah, this is great.
Planetary Sigma was the song.
Yes, yes, yeah.
Yeah, I like having the N word as well in there. You know, so it's really describing our.
If you watched animes, you would
No, there was though.
get inspired instantly. Yeah,
I used to
probably
look at
would. I just don't. I don't watch that.
Yeah, anime is kind of gay.
Let's see, best. But I think
an anime, it's an anime.
if this
Okay, well, I only like woman May.
entity
Yeah,
health
that's right.
is larger or equal to max health, I don't know why I'm still getting the bullets that are like
Yo, Lucas. I just found some great music. I swear, this is no copyright sounds.
Mhm.
No, there's no copyright. And it's by our Lord and Savior, Kevin MacLeod.
Oh,
No,
he's
no, bro,
good.
this is Sneaky Snitch, bro.
Yeah, but I know Sneaky Snitch. That's pretty good.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah, that's the
Baby
goat,
is
bro.
back in the chat, guys. Yo,
I only like Webby if he will say that Sneaky Snitch should be inside of Planetary Sigma.
I think he would. Yo, I finally didn't miss the live. Yeah, no. Welcome, Webby. Welcome. It has been a while. Wait, do we have? We don't have a. We don't have a applause. Soundboard, do we? No, we do not. Oh, we do.
No, Discord has.
He says it should. Sneaky Snitch should be inside of Planetary Sigma.
Yeah, okay, well then he's the goat, you know.
He is the goat.
Oh man, bro, Lucas, this here is good music.
I'm still trying to see if I could get the.
No.
Yeah, why are those? They are not even sending an attack, but yet I'm receiving as if they were.
Yo, audio, what the hell is this you sent to me?
Oh, it's good. Hey,
Oh, right.
Okay? Relax.
They
All
do.
right, buddy.
Shit, this needs to swap. Oh shit.
Oh, this beat goes hard, bro.
I know, bro. I know.
I really like the bagpipe
Planetary
in the
Sigma,
background.
the song.
Or should
Oh, yeah, yeah.
execute skill happen instead?
Oh, this is a banger, bro.
Wait, let me see. Use action. I need to rethink this a little bit because what this does last use, it sets it to this, but yet we cannot do the heal, even though it's kind of. I kind of want to see if I can use the skill before I use it. How is the development going? It's going alright. Just added sound, not music. So
Go, Lucas, please look private. Okay, you have to listen to this beat that Audio sent to me, bro. It is the best thing you've
Yeah, I
ever
know,
heard.
Which
bro.
one of them?
It's
Low
gonna be-
quality,
it's
royalty-free
peak.
music,
Well, you can play
or
both. You know, you can select. You have to choose between them. Okay. So
it
I
sounds
just
like
select
air rape
one.
both of them. Yeah, we did mini audio for
No,
the
no, no,
sound.
no ear rape. I swear, no ear rape.
Yeah, mini audio. Let's see what Harold sent us. And if it's air rape,
Yes,
you're
fine.
getting
This-
deafened. You're getting mute.
Yeah, okay, that's great. So this is from Audio
No,
Troll.
bro, no.
You can't skip it, bro. It's a banger beat.
TJ on the beat.
This really fits Planter Sigma. Okay?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I feel like it.
Alright, that's fine. Anyways. So we did the mini audio. Yeah, we did that. And right now I kind of need to see...
Lucas, have you ever heard about nesting before? Or never nesting, perhaps?
It's
It's
not
not
that
that
bad. It's only
Hellish
like...
days.
It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 at
6,
worst.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yeah, it ain't so bad. Yeah,
It ain't that bad, you know. It's pretty alright.
It's pretty awful.
No,
It's
bro,
pretty
you
bad.
should keep well. You should keep
You should kick.
nesting to a minimum, I guess.
Yeah.
Lucas keeps it to a maximum
What the fuck?
at all times.
It's alright, you know, it's alright. It's all here. Anyways, what I'm trying to find out now is that...
Yeah, Lucas, what are you trying to find out?
I'm trying to see if I could... Because I kind of want to extract, like, can use skill. Because I don't want to do this search if I can't. That's just dumb. So I think I should be doing this if can use, and then I would... But then it's kind of like this one execute skill is almost doing half the work that this thing should be doing. And it's an execute skill that I would like to actually trigger this whole thing. Let's see. Nice, that's good to hear. I have
it's so
no idea
boring,
if
I've
I can
already
do
forgot.
PBR stuff on the voxels, but I will attempt it today. Oh, awesome, bro.
Ray
That-
tracing? Did someone say or
No, PBR.
ray tracing?
No, oh my god, this guy. He's trolling my ass. But I think execute
Double
is like
illumination.
the one that is more important to perform, because that's when it actually happens rather than...
Oh shoot.
Well, I guess I could ask ready, if it's ready to use. But
Yeah,
it's
ask
still-
Ready.
Reddit.
Who's Ready? I don't know who Ready. Is that a guy on here? I'm gonna ping Ready, see what he thinks about this.
That's a good idea.
At Ready. When you ready.
When you're ready.
Yeah.
So yeah, why can't you switch on strings in Zig?
Because they are a chunk of memory.
And you can't switch on. You can't switch on like a slice, you know.
No. Because switches can only do on a single value, but what I usually do is I use std mem string to enum or something.
Yeah.
Std meta, yeah, string to enum, or I just do like compile time for it or something. I don't know.
I guess it is to do with because the compiler
It's kind of
optimize
silly.
it to like bit mask fields or something like that. Try to do those
I think
things.
it's kind of silly to not acknowledge strings, like, or to pretend and say like, oh, Zig doesn't have a concept of strings. It's totally we totally only acknowledge it as a what do we call it? Fucking slice of you weights or some shit. Like, well, no, you have the construction, you have the idea of a string literal in the Zig language. That's a thing, right?
Yeah, but that's a string literal. That's a different thing.
It's a different thing. It's not the same.
Yeah, I mean it is because a string literal isn't a slice.
I think it's one of those things that you need. It's so useful to have I don't know, man. I don't know.
You know, I also I thought about this.
I don't know.
I thought about this before also, and you know, switching on strings, you know, it will be nice, but also doesn't really make sense, and this isn't Python, so.
Based? Okay. No, that sounds retarded. What if, like, one of the most basic things you want to do for like a program is, you know, passing in arguments, right? Do we have like facilities at least in standard library for like arguments?
What?
Like in Zig.
Yeah.
Then
What?
let me
What
look
do?
at it.
What? You want what, bro? You pass in an
Wanna look
argument
at
and you
what?
use it.
So, what got me to look at this is what's it called? The Zig, I think Zig doc. I don't know what it's called. There's some utility in Zig that lets you view the docs in a browser, right, locally.
Yeah, STD docs, but it's broken.
Right.
now.
Yeah, and I looked at the code for that, and
Or it's Zig STD right now, but it's broken. So yeah.
If not ready, continue. Yeah, I think this will fix a lot of the things. Well, I think. Wait. Well, I think the person talking should just do Odin instead. Can you switch on a
Okay,
string in
so-
Odin?
I am, bro. I am. That's that's the thing. It's based.
Yeah,
That's what
well, you're
Odin-
banned, bro. Get out. Alright,
Man,
so
no.
yeah,
I think the person talking base.
But
Hey.
Lucas, like, you know what this code reminds me of?
What?
This reminds me of the Bluetooth API, X11,
It's using
Windows
Excel.
API.
Mm.
Yeah, no, like the code that I'm looking at right now in your stream. This reminds me of like Blue's API, you know, Bluetooth, right?
I haven't read the
it's really
Bluetooth
shit.
API, bro.
Yeah, it's really bad. Anyways, yeah, and
it's really
also-
bad.
and X11
It-
and Windows API, because this feels like a load of useless bullshit on top of something that is really simple, you know.
Well, you kind of need all of these things to do the things that you want to do.
Well, I don't
Yeah,
know.
you're
World ready.
Here.
Yeah, so wait, the world ready is right now. I'm trying to. I think I need to make it a separate thing, but I'm just extracting it to see if it could work like this, because then I'd prove it works and I can make it something.
Yeah, you're never ever changing that if that
I am.
works. But like what, like bro, Ready tells me nothing. All right, it's exactly like the Windows API. It doesn't.
It
say
returns
anything.
if you can use the ability or not.
Oh yeah, that's so obvious.
Yeah, well, yeah, it shouldn't. It should be. It's in right now. It's used within the use action. So it's just in the use action. It asks if this ability is ready to be used, and it returns fire.
Yeah, I don't know, man. Sounds
Yeah.
like a really like convoluted API.
Well, it's not
Doesn't
supposed to be
really
used
make
like this. I'm just right now making it possible to
It's
use
not
it.
supposed to be used by anyone, actually.
Yeah. Oh my god. Anyways,
It's
why am I
meant
even
to
arguing with you?
burn,
It's like arguing with a wall.
A wall? No. It's like
a wall.
arguing with 10 walls.
Lucas, it's arguing with the padded wall.
Yeah, well, you know, talking about Lucas' code base to Lucas is kind of like talking into a trash bag. You never know what you'll find. Or
Wait,
see.
Webby answered with the Odin stuff.
Right.
That's good. You can do that in Odin. I do it when I pass arcs from CLI for my build tools, etc. However, normally I attempt to do it via enums, etc. Okay, I don't know that. How does it compile
Wait, they said
then?
they
Is
use-
it?
Enums for arguments in Odin.
No. Like if you can't use enums, it tries to use.
Well, yeah, obviously, yeah.
Yeah.
No, this is a very specific use case of like having strings as a data structure. That's like what gets passed into your program, right? And so you wanna.
Oh, you mean like as arguments like that? Oh yeah, but then I would use std string std meta.
It still shoots, even though it shouldn't be shooting.
And it's really
Weird.
loud, bro.
It is loud because they're overlapping and they're accumulating the sound.
Blah blah blah. Sounds like a bunch of crap to me.
But it's weird because it shouldn't even. Well, I guess it's
You know
because
how waves work?
waves work? I don't know. I'm just accumulating the sounds when I read through them.
Waves? Yeah, it's additive. Fuck, what's it called? I think it's just the additive property of waves.
I should
The
alternate.
superposition of waves is just adding them.
Yeah, I'm adding. I'm adding there some. What's it called? PCM or what was it called?
Yep.
Yeah. Wait, do you want a cool tip? You should alternate on pitch if you're not doing it. I'm not doing it yet, no. Then you get a big difference on the sound by not loading additional files. Yeah, I can...
Shadow should be get like your car.
Yeah.
This shadow is correct. Holy shit.
But it's still... I kind of don't even want to... I kind of need to switch the order because it's kind of like if there is somebody to heal, I would like to heal them. But otherwise, I don't want to try to heal them. That's my problem. Or it should only do it on execute skill. If I moved this... Whoa. If I took this one... No, I guess I could... No, I guess it would be used...
Yeah, I do think it's thou. Well, that's really convenient. Holy shit, Harold is actually goated today.
Yes, yes, yes.
But then I would have to take in the action, which I don't just take in the skill.
Yeah, because I'm thinking instead of using like okay, so Harold instead of using web UI with Zig, and I was trying to port like web UI.
What does this STD string thing do in Zig that allows you to switch on it when you're not allowed to switch on strings? Harold, did you say?
No, it's not. No, it's 1 second audio. Like, okay, so basically, string to enum is a function in the standard library, right? And you can give it an enum, and because in Zig you can know all the names of all the fields in the enum, right?
Yes.
Then you can basically check if the passed in string matches with like one of the enum fields, and if it does, then return that enum like field, you know, or the value of that field.
Yeah, that's a comp time reflection. It's actually a very pog.
Yeah.
Oh, just do STD mem equal.
Based.
Well, it's not very nice to do that over 10 things. I know you will probably do that, Lucas.
I would.
You know.
I would.
Damn. Why use many function when one function do trick?
Yes.
Exactly.
No, but it's just make it that it's easier and faster than trying to figure out how to make it generic if you don't need it generic.
Generic? Bro, no one's a generic,
I don't want
right?
it generic. I want it short.
No, but you don't
No,
need
no
it
one- no
short.
one's a
It's
generic.
like if you wanted to print 0 to 10, you don't write a for loop for it. You just print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's faster.
What?
No.
Bro,
But
what?
it's
It's literally
like-
faster to write that than a for loop that does it. It's so dumb to make a for loop for it.
No, it's
No,
not.
no, no, no,
I'm
no.
falling for a troll. I'm falling for a troll. I can't do. I can't be on the internet.
It's literally all you do is just copy paste the lines 5 times or 10 times.
Bro,
It's
no,
fast.
no,
Or
no,
you can
no,
just
you're
put a new
trolling,
line.
you're
You do 0
Bro,
new
you're
line,
trolling.
1, 2 new line, and then you just. It's literally.
You're trolling.
No, it's literally
You're trolling.
easier to do that than write a for loop.
What?
But of course, if you want,
Easier.
it is faster and easier.
Guys, this is what I mean, okay? This is Lucas's philosophy of code.
It is.
You see how
Because you
bad
get
this
shit
is,
done faster and only need to make it dynamic if you ever really need it to be dynamic. Don't make it dynamic before
Okay,
that.
so let's say we want now, okay, so we want to print 1 to 10, right?
Mm.
Yeah? And you would do print 10 times, okay?
Mm.
Isn't it
Yeah.
a lot of work to write 1 and then 2 and then 3?
Yeah,
and then-
exactly. It's a lot of work, and also now let's say that you want to say hello 1, hello 2, hello 3, right? Now you have to add hello to all of those.
But you can do
Yeah, it's-
multi-line cursor and just add it
like,
once. And it's
you can
usually
do
like
multi-line cursor.
the thing that you're now trying to think about again about the hypothetical future. What if? But the thing is that you don't need that what if in the beginning. You just need the thing that you need to get done.
You know,
Once you get to the point where that thing needs to become more dynamic, yes, then sure, make it to a for loop that can dynamically change. But until you reach that point, you don't need it. It's faster to make the thing that fastest gets the shit done that you need.
So
You know,
this
like-
is correct. So Lucas is correct here, but the thing is, if I can get something done with less code,
Yeah.
No,
If I
but
get- if I
it-
get
it-
it done
it-
with less code, I'm happier,
do it
bro.
with less work, I will
it-
do it. With less mental
it's
overhead, I will
lit-
do it.
If you just do a print, you just do the print and then you just change the number. That's like, how many key presses? It's like 20?
That's like way too many key presses, bro. Like, I can't be bothered pressing more than 2 buttons, okay?
Was
I
you just
should
writing
only
a
press,
for
like-
loop in 2 buttons?
Yeah, I mean, you kinda can. I can do it from like muscle memory, bro. I can do it like I already wrote one while saying this sentence. Right?
Then you get, wait, what does the STD? So you do comp time reflection based on what's in the IE, what we're trying to switch on. Wait, is still like, maybe still talking about the STD direct.
I sent you a thing, Lucas. You can show to him. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. In private, so I mean, I can probably send it to him as well. Let's see. But bro, Lucas, you cannot, bro. It's so much more to write 10 different prints than just having a for loop, bro. I swear, I would never
There is-
write 10
I think
prints.
there's a pragmatic like way to look at this where like there's stuff like this that can make sense when you're like, okay, this if I do this will be done. I don't think his example is one of those cases, but like there are cases where you just want to you just write it explicitly and it's done, and you don't have to worry about like making another, you know, kind of implementation of it. I think there was some like YouTuber or not YouTuber,
Yeah,
but
but
like some game developer he got inspired by.
That's usually because I think every time you design a system, you cannot know all of the future possibilities. So that's why I always write them
Yeah,
hard
sure,
code.
but it's like this print example is just so bad because it just takes so much more effort and time and thinking time, bro. Like there's a reason why we have compile time in Zig, right? Because sure,
Bro,
you
we
can
went even a step further than not just running a normal for a few. It's like we're gonna do it with compile time. Nah, bro.
No, I mean, if you really
But
want
wait,
to
wait, wait.
do
Are you
compile
sending
time,
the
you could just do an
example,
inline.
Harold? Or is
I sent the example to him, yeah, now.
You sent the example to him, not to me.
Well, to you and to him.
Ah, okay, well then he has seen it.
Oh yeah, maybe.
Hopefully. But let's see. I'm gonna leak our DMs and see what you sent. String to enum something hello or else default. Wait, what?
Yeah, because you see, string to name can return null if none of the if the string doesn't match any of the things, you know.
Ah, I see.
Bro, just writing this like print thing here just for like showcase is so much work. Like, goddamn, bro, am I a Chinese
But
slave?
is
making
this
shoes or
like
what?
is this only, does this also work during runtime? Or
Yeah.
okay. So you could pass in just arbitrary arguments or some reader or
Yeah.
something like that. Okay.
Wait,
Pretty cool.
That was reader about a string, you know. It's
Yeah, well, yeah, read, but you would get it through some kind of file.
yeah,
Would
like
also
an
work.
argument or something.
Yeah, okay. Because usually with the but how does it, with a string to enum, does it I'm still a bit confused about the, because enum usually hardly associate with compile time.
Yeah, they are just compile time. Unless you well, they are compile time, but you can do stuff with them that results in like runtime behavior. Sort of like, you know, if you add tag in name, right? You can get the name.
Yeah,
stuff
but
like
I
that.
guess also it's just at runtime it changes then to just a normal integer. It just during compile
it's
time it
just a
just
type
enforces
system.
it so that you cannot just arbitrary. You have to do that.
Yeah,
in
it's
from
like
enum.
the entire SIG type system, you know, it's all just at compile time. Not like in the end, it's just like how much memory do I need here, or like what is alignment, you know.
Yeah.
But also, Lucas, vote in coding.
No.
There's a lot of important things to discuss, okay? And coding currently has a very important thing.
Which one is A and which one is B? It's really hard to know.
Really, bro? Okay, I'll specify it more clearly.
You shouldn't have. You should have let me vote it first, and then you would have put me on the one that I didn't want.
Yeah, no, bro.
Definitely.
Bro, you cannot be serious, bro. You're trolling. Like one here took me 2 seconds to write with my bare hands, right? And the B here took forever to write, and I got like an aneurysm, a stroke. Bro, my brain exploded. Like, it's so much work. Like, how do you expect me to make 10 print statements here? Like, god damn, this is bad.
I don't know, because you can also, the thing is that there is a way also to just do, what are they called? Macros. And NeoVim to just get all of those in numbers incremented.
Yeah, but that's
one.
so much work, bro. Like, either you can do that, or you can just use any editor, including like Nano,
Yeah.
and you can write that in 2 seconds.
There's nothing positive. Bevvy's also against. I'm just saying it's easier.
No, bro. You guys aren't voting about reality.
No,
You're
he
voting about
says he's against B,
hypothetical
not
issues.
for B. He says he's
Oh, he's
okay.
against B. Okay, so he's good. Okay. Yeah, but bro, you're voting on like hypothetical like stuff as well here. It's just different stuff. Yeah.
Anyways, I'm still trying to do the.
Yeah, anyways, bro, I'm not gonna let you slide away from this here. We're gonna flame you for this forever.
Okay, bro. Real.
Yeah.
Slippery Slukas, yep.
Yeah, Slippery Lucas. That's his new nickname.
Slippery brother. I think I'm
It's
gonna
so
change
bad,
it to
bro.
be. I could change it that. Still with this, but I would have to change the logic a little bit. That it would. Oof. If not ready, do that, and then otherwise it would try to. Why is the action? Potential target. There shouldn't be a potential target for this case.
No potential targets here.
Well, I guess there is just. Oh yeah,
because
no,
those are hypothetical.
yeah,
They
you're
are
right.
potential.
Yes,
Yeah.
you're right.
Because do you even have like a thing to get percent, like the percent type, like mailbox and all that, or do you just use FIFO?
I don't think I have one that gets it. No, I just use. What is it called? Is it FIFA Relaxed or what is it called?
Yeah, probably FIFA relaxed. Yeah, okay, well that's really great because, you know, if you have 10 people, right, and you have one person that has a really shit system, which only has FIFO relaxed or something, and then you have 9 PCs that are really great, have mailbox, which is amazing compared to FIFO, right, can improve performance, you know, it's just way better, right, then it's way better that we make everyone suffer, right, so it's more even suffering, you know, throughout.
Yeah, so you're on it now.
Yeah, it's kind of like if we had a McDonald's, you know, we could just give everyone like a shitty burger. instead of,
Wait.
Like giving one person a shitty burger and the rest good burgers, you know.
Web is also flaming me. I mean, this is why you have
Yeah.
78 nested indentations per
Yeah.
normal in your code. It's not an exception, it is the expected style. What is system entity? Is that maybe it's optional that you pass in? Basically, it's optional when you have a question mark in front of it. Yes. So it
Does
just
Odin
says
even have optionals?
what does
know, man.
if Odin has optionals? I don't know. Does it?
Yeah, I don't know.
I mean, it
Maybe
should.
it's probably like question mark and then colon.
Odin.
And then the type, you know. Yeah, that's typical Odin, I swear.
The optional function is primarily implemented multiple return values.
Oh,
Mm.
they have a worse or else. Man, these keywords with underscores. Dang.
Yeah,
they're ugly.
just the question mark makes the thing optional. So this one makes the pointer optional. You could also make the actual type optional if you wanted to, but that I don't need. I just need a pointer to be optional. So I do this.
Or do you?
Okay, I think this should probably like keep it up, but it will actually now run that every time, but not that it was saved. Let's see. Nope. Oh, yeah, it is working. Good. So, Jesus Christ. Yeah, but the heal should probably not shoot bullets to heal allies.
I need more people to
It is better though, but Jesus Christ.
Jesus Christ, did you just look at your own code?
Yeah,
So
I
you
just
need
saw my
code
own
set?
code. I was like, whoa.
Yeah, yeah, that's what I think. You know,
Mm,
Lucas, you can do like const best equals and then the for loop. You don't have to have it mutable, you know. You know.
equals the for loop?
Yeah. I'm gonna make a
Mm,
little example for
no,
you.
because I need to iterate the.
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna just, you know, see here.
Because I cannot return out early. Even when I find the best, I can still find a better best, basically.
A better best.
Yeah.
Okay, well then, yeah, okay, sure. But you do know about having like assignments, you know.
You mean assigning to the for loop? Yeah. If that's what you mean. Yeah, I do know those.
Yeah.
Hello.
I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna write it for you again here so that you understand, you know. You know, you never know.
It's
Bam.
Maggie Omni. Wait, is it Omni, the C++ developer over at Kick, or who is it? I really need to know this.
It's Omi the homie.
Is it Omni?
I don't know.
C++
Really
guy.
don't.
It's C++ guy.
Oh, it is Omi the homie.
Yeah.
Yo, Omi. Okay. So you're a master developer, right? Professional C++ enjoyer, right? You get the C++ pass even. So I have a really important question. If you were to write, you have to write a program that outputs 1 to 10, right? And so either you can do a for loop, right? And then loop from 0 to 10 and then print out the index, right? Or you can make 10 prints, right? And each print has a number. So it's like you do like
That's really
print
good.
1 and then the next line is print 2 and then print 3, print 4, you know. Yeah, you get it. You know, which one is better?
Don't answer that. I don't. I don't want you to answer that.
Bro, slippery Lucas ain't slipping away.
Slippery sloop. We're gonna add a new so we don't get the annoying sound effect for the what's it called? The bullet shooting when healers shoot, because it's really annoying when they do their thing. It's like crazy. Let's see, we can add a new project. It should actually become like a stream. I don't know if I even want like a kind of. It's a little bit weird. Projectiles, they are kind of like entities, but at the same time they're not. But for the time being they are, so I'm gonna reuse it and I'm gonna say that we're gonna have a projectile heal. And it will have nothing else than just, I don't know why I'm giving them health actually. That's well, it's fine. So projectile heal, and that will then work with the. We have to go into gameplay and then execute skill, heal target skill here. We have to go into the what's it called, enemies here. And then we're gonna go and get the healer. The healer has the skills here, and then primary is a shoot cube, but we're gonna change it a little bit to become something else. Skill here, we're gonna do a heal. I'm just gonna call it heal for now. Probably gonna come up with something better later. You died. I think the obvious answer is to go to Claude and ask what Claude thinks, of course. That's the correct answer to every question. Yeah, see? He gets it. Omni gets it. You go to Claude and ask Claude. I think Claude would still answer what you just said. Oh, it won't. What do you think Claude would say? Let's see. We can look what Claude would say here. Boom. What is better? A. And then we listen to Claude. All right. I don't wanna. My Discord just died. Oh, that's what Harold just said. Oh my god. Wait. It felt so nice, you know, because it was quiet. No guy yapping in the background, you know, no rage bait. It was so nice, you know, for a whole moment. Hello.
Yo, Slippery Lucas is back.
All right, we're gonna see what is better. Am I streaming the right thing? Or
Right.
B? Let's see.
Yeah, you're streaming the Claude, you know.
Yeah, that's good because that's what we
Yeah.
want to see.
By the way, what did Omi the homie say? What did he?
He said that we need to ask what Claude thinks.
Oh, he's a Claude enjoyer like yourself.
A, but as written it doesn't compile and doesn't match B. Should be. What? What does it? D doesn't exist.
Oh yeah, I get. Yeah, sure. I guess you have to do that.
And it
But,
won't
you know,
even be the
it's-
same. Nah, Harold,
it's the idea.
Harold.
No, bro. It is gonna print the numbers differently. It's the same concept, right? It's the concept that matters.
I don't know.
Also,
I think
I
this
have
has
no
just
idea what you're
proven that
talking
we.
about.
I think
It
this
was
just.
always like that.
I think
It
this
was
just
always like that.
proves that it's a lot easier to see what you do if you just hard code it rather than trying to
No,
be
because I'm
perfect.
writing this in Discord. Bro, I'm writing this in Discord. Bro, look, no, it was always like that. What do you mean? Coding.
The print did the thing that you wanted, therefore made it wrong. Would it even have compiled? Yikes.
Well, you know, I fixed it because you see, I wrote it in Discord, and I don't have an LSP in Discord, sadly. So that's why.
Wait,
Yeah, if I had LSP, this would never happen.
there's only one person that handwrites 10 prints. That's me.
It's Luvas. Yeah, but okay, but you know, if you ignore the bugs, okay, just ask it. If you ignore the bugs, which one is better?
If you ignore the bugs, which one is better? Ingor. If you Ingor, A, same output, one line instead of 10, and changing the range is one character. Yeah, but if we don't want to change the line anyways. I'm just saying...
So,
the
A is better. By far.
Nah, I'm just saying no. I like how we're using a high power Claude for these pressing questions.
Yeah,
Yes, you got it. We
You know, Douglas, you're kind of like the Antichrist when it comes to coding.
I don't know what you're on about.
You're like that. You always nest. It's always nesting, right? Don't have any names that actually say anything useful. Okay.
What
All
do you
names should
mean?
be
I have a lot of names that says what they
useless.
do. you
Well,
you
yeah,
make the cursor
okay,
called pointer.
No, but that makes sense because
It does.
pointer is related to multiple. Bro, if you have a touchpad on some platforms,
Yeah, because
they call that pointer.
Yeah,
as
because
well.
your window manager is supposed to support touchpad, right? I forgot.
Yeah, well, I have a laptop with a touchpad, so you know that's not my mouse.
Hey, we just
And
did,
sure, it moves around the cursor, but the cursor
we
isn't
just
the
did
same as the pointer.
we just did something very impressive. We just deprived one African child of water in order to ask Claude
Yeah,
that
it was
question.
worth it. It was worth it.
It
right?
was worth it.
Yes.
Oh
So
no.
Lucas is worth many African children, and teaching him to not be the Antichrist of coding is worth so many African children. You don't even know.
I don't know,
If-
man.
If this guy just coded like a normal human being, right? Then we would have saved so many African children because they wouldn't need Slop to fix the code. He wouldn't need Mr. Slop for this, okay? Oh, Luvas, scroll up. I just saw a for loop from 0 to 10. Why you not just hard coding this? Down. Stop here, yes. Why do you have this? Why not just
Well,
have it 10
you see,
times?
this one makes sense to do it like that
Why?
because this one is
Oh,
not just a
why?
simple thing. This one is a little bit more
This is a
complicated.
hypothetical issue.
It's not.
Hypothetical
What?
issue. All right.
It's different.
This is a hypo. No, it's not different. This is a hypothetical like issue you have here. Right? Just try it 10 times. If it doesn't work, yeah, then change it, right? But it does work if you just do it 10 times. So just fix it.
No.
Yes. Because we should make you write a manifesto on how to write code, like you, right? And then you can agree to it because you wrote it, right? And then we're gonna ask AI to like enshitify, clean one of my code bases, right, into your style and see how bad it becomes. That would be a great stream.
No, I think I need to compile one, don't I? Server.
Bro, this name is Arc Jump.
It's an arc jump. Ah, wait.
What is an arc, bro?
Some of you may die, but that's the sacrifice I'm going to make. Lucas style guide. Yes, good,
Yes.
good. Has no projectile heal. What? I swear. I just-
Yes, projectile heal. My favorite. But bro, what is arc jump?
It's an arc jump.
Plan. Bro, what does this enum have to do with anything? Heal, melee, I mean, arc jump.
It's the skill.
plant, shoot cube. Like,
It-
bro, what?
It's the skill.
Oh, the skill. Oh,
These
oh my
things.
bad. Of course, that's the skill enum. What else would it be?
The fuck, bro.
Bro, this going into I don't know, off topic. Most scuffed enum in
Oh, I think I might know why it's not recognizing it. Oh shit.
I do love the skill melee. That's a really great skill, right?
It is.
But
It
then
is.
also use equipment. That's my favorite skill. Like, how well can I use equipment?
It's the skill use equip. Oh my god, should just call. I don't know. My style is
I do
I
really
have
like
power generate 2 versions of every function as magic 8 ball. And that one is a good one. I think that's pretty good. Right. So now we should be able to do that, and then which kind spawn? This one doesn't have anything extra on its spawn, no. Yeah. It was which one world 199. I guess we could also do this one. Heal, scale transform. Don't need it to be too big. We do that. My code is anthropic approved TM. Damn, bro. All right, let's see. So now we should see, and it shouldn't play.
Bro, the
some-
outline on the planet still looks so bad, bro, I swear.
Well, those bullets ain't really right because there's no update for it. Oh god, look at
Does it still do ear rape? I have you.
No, it
shit
didn't
muted.
do it. It didn't do a rape because it's not processed.
Yeah, it's not processed. Yeah, the ear rape is not processed.
Yeah, we need to tell it what to do. That projectile, what to do. I had Dario personally look at my code. Dario, wait, who's Dario?
Dario, the CEO of Anthropic, my favorite.
Ah, okay. Look at my code and give me the thumbs up before he took my kidneys for my token consumption. Oh damn.
Yes.
That's not good.
That's so relatable for Lucas. Yeah, except that Dario actually looked at the code and felt bad for Lucas, so he just like, oh no, we can't take his kidneys. They just felt too bad. Yeah.
True.
I do love indentation. Ah, so beautiful. Yes, projectile kind. Even better. Bro is definitely abusing enums. I should never have told him about them.
Alright, I don't know, I'm thinking of moving them out from entities.
Oh, Lucas, the to-do below there. Why is it to-do bad return pointer, bro? It should be bad return cursor. Like, bro, what is this?
Curse.
This guy, bro.
I don't
Bad
like
return
because
cursor.
it returns a pointer to a SO that may be unloaded at some point, so you should not store
returns
it.
a cursor.
I'm thinking of maybe because it's on a to do because I want to make it to a .zone or J something else. That's why it's kind of there.
No.
Yes. I think
What?
this should make it
How
fine.
did? Wait, go back to the code editor. How did you figure this out, bro? The inline else down there, bro. How did you find out about capturing the tag?
Well, that's from your
This is
networking
revolutionary.
protocol.
Oh, did I do that?
Yeah, you did it, and I just copied it from there.
Oh yeah, okay. Well, that's how you figured it out. Okay. My bad.
So now those should work like a normal projectile cube. Yeah. And they don't play music sounds when they... Yeah, good.
Oh, this is so... the audio design is really great.
Thank you.
Well, it might be the code. Low quality, ear rape. Yeah. But your code is more like eye rape.
High rape?
Yeah. Well, no, don't take that out of context.
There's too many healers.
No. Not enough healers.
Okay.
Bro,
I've been trying to make math animation in Haskell. It's actually pretty fun. Haskell, like function-oriented programming.
Function-oriented, yeah, it's function-oriented.
What is it called? I don't know what it's called.
Functional.
Functional programming. Okay, true. Function-oriented. It's the same thing, but different.
Yeah, it's kind of like those print statements.
Okay. All right, we got it. We got
This not?
this one done. I'm not gonna touch that one anymore. Now I wanted to change one other thing. We can actually commit this one.
Yeah. Are you committed to this, Lucas?
Better
garbage.
better garbage. Healers.
Yes.
Do what they should.
Do what they should. Yeah, it's really like that.
Yeah.
Healers do what they should.
Healers do what they
yes.
should.
My favorite. It's kind of like those print statements. They do as they should.
Yeah, exactly. Sounds like
Works right.
first you shoot, next you get beat, and like no async sounding.
Yeah, beat the meat.
The sound for the punch is actually like super delayed, like the audio file, and then the action of attacking is also like it deals damage before the attack lands.
Everything is delayed, even on the client side. Everything is lagging.
This is the issue. Yeah, no.
Lucas's code is so bad. You have to measure ping on the client.
Well, that's how you get the runtime trip.
No. I mean, you need like the ping for just your code executing on the client, not even like networking, you know.
Bruh. Anyways.
You know what? That's going in off topic.
Yeah, it's going off topic. I wanted to change the. I was thinking we could probably do this like an impact kind of thing for rockets, but I don't know, will it be too much? The thing is, I was thinking of doing it with the rocket having like an impact sound. Also, another thing we could do.
Just have it boo.
What?
What?
Yeah, I'm redeeming the.
Yeah, that's a really great sound for that.
Yeah, but.
Oh, Vine Boom, bro. Vine Boom. Bro, I swear.
The wine boom on impact. Nah, bro.
Yes.
I would not.
But it's really high pitched, so it's unique, you know.
Nah.
I think that would be fantastic. Ah, yes, effect. Explosion puffs. Explosion sparks. Yes. I do love having my effects as an enum.
It makes sense, bro.
Yeah, but why even have it as an enum? That's you're accounting for hypothetical problems. Just call the functions where you need it hard coded, you know.
Well, the thing is that it's using the shaders, so I need to upload the data
The
already.
shaders.
Yeah. I cannot
Well,
I cannot
that's
just.
a hypothetical issue.
Oh my god, this guy.
Just render it on the CPU.
I used to do it, but now I got to the point where I need them on the GPU, so then I just make.
You did render them on the CPU.
Well, I did all of the math on the CPU, and then I still rendered on the GPU. But then I was like, I need them to be on the GPU side, so I do the math now on the GPU and just do enums for how to basically calculate on the GPU. Wait, and Lucas watch Evangelion at some point. Like, okay, I should watch it. I should. I have tried Man and Python and what the 3 blue 1 brown uses. Yeah, that's
5
Man
blue
and
6 7.
and I've tried diagrams Haskell, and diagrams API is way better. It's not very developed when it comes to animation because it's designed for static images, so I had to partially handle the animation functions and feeding to FFmpeg to make videos, but it's way easier to reason about and make extensible animations. Manual leans way too hard into object-oriented programming.
Just like Lucas.
You're the one literally making interfaces and function pointers to everything, and we take.
Yeah, interfaces are so object-oriented in the big 26. Yeah.
You know, like
Well,
the biggest
the
problems
times.
I always have are callbacks. They are like the worst things ever. I hate them so
You're
much.
just not good at.
No, because they
developing
fuck up
software.
with hot reloading so much because you have to keep track of those
Yeah,
dead
maybe
pointers.
it's not them fucking up with hot reloading. Maybe it's hot reloading fucking up them.
It's just
You know.
and also like
Hey,
just
what-
it's easier to just to say that do this rather than do this when you feel comfortable. It's
Yeah,
like,
I agree. Callbacks in most
No.
places are pretty bad, right?
Mm.
But interfaces are not object-oriented, bro. Go has interfaces.
No,
Right? Is Go object-oriented?
it's not always.
Yeah, not always. Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, but you try to enforce it everywhere, and then it becomes
What?
object oriented when you put it
Everywhere?
everywhere. Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna read my code here.
You don't need to
So
read it. I know it.
Here I have my main here. My main doesn't have an interface. STD process init is
Oh,
not an
that's actually
interface.
surprising. Your main doesn't have an interface. What?
Yeah. My allocator is an interface. but
Anyways, that's
Zig.
not what we're trying to.
I always an
We're
interface.
trying to
My
make.
arguments aren't an interface. My window isn't an interface. My render.
Oh, he lost connection. That's crazy.
Yeah, so what I was saying, there's a lot of stuff that aren't
Okay.
interfaces. Like
Okay,
I have an OBJ loader here. That's not an interface now, is it? I don't have an interface for that. I don't.
Can
have an
we
interface for
please
brute force
focus on the
either.
task at hand, which I'm trying to figure out what it is because I'm stuck
The task at
arguing with
hand,
you all
the
the
task at
time.
hand is getting slippery Lucas to not slip away.
Okay. I think we could do for already like the UIs a little bit. Maybe do a little bit of an upgrade for these ones because it's really annoying to look at that.
It is really annoying to look at everything here. I don't say which one are you talking about.
OOP is primarily characterized by inheritance polymorphism and is what makes OOP bad. Yes, yes.
Well, Sig technically has compile time polymorphism via any type. So is Sig object oriented? Are
No,
all
like,
generics
it-
object oriented?
it's typical. Like there's more to it, of course, but it's typically wait. Interface makes me pissed off because every mainstream language implements them wrong and makes them useless. Java interfaces are so bad. We have
Sig,
ECS.
bro. Sig has the best ones. It doesn't even have an interface.
No, like all of those things are like they're still like good when used correctly, but the problem is when they are forcefully implemented to every detail of the application, everything that you ever create. That's the problem because
Now,
you don't
Lucas,
need it.
Wait, Lucas, before you continue, you can say that sentence about your code, but you change interfaces with hard-coded bullshit.
I said in inheritance, any type is completely flat structure.
Well, it doesn't have to. I mean, you can pass in an interface to an any type, technically.
Yeah, but you could pass it in. You could have anything have a interface.
Yeah.
What the fuck, bro?
What do you mean? Well, it would be
So
kinda
yeah,
hard to
the
make an
interface
interface
can
for
belong to any
integers.
type as well. Yes, you're right.
Yeah, of course, because interfaces are types in Sig. They're just structures. You know? But you know,
Anyway,
Sig is the best language because it has two different types of interfaces, right?
should we do
But none of them
should we do
are
the
language.
like icons for the abilities? I think we could do those. I think that would be like a super good improvement.
Yeah, I want to see the ability use equipment. That ability is my favorite one.
Jesus fucking. I can't.
I do love myself.
It's a
the
skill
ability
to use
equipment.
your equipment, not an
Yeah,
ability.
it's a skill.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, it's a skill to equip.
No, to
use
use.
equipment. No, look at it's a skill, right? To use equipment.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm quoting that.
Anyways, let's see. We're gonna take the.
Lucas. Yeah, okay. Now it's off topic here. In quotations, it's a skill to use equipment.
Wait.
And then you
Only
when you agree to
say
it.
any type is point like inheritance enforces your data to follow the three like structures when proper polymorphism is more generally a direct. What is DAG? It's directed acyclus graph. What is it? Yeah.
What the hell, bro? I don't speak OOP, alright?
Well, DAG is not necessarily a OP concept.
It is not a necessary OOP.
Yeah, it's not. Anyways, we're gonna create this thing now. We're gonna create this and we're gonna give it a transparent background. Yes.
TikTok resolution.
What?
TikTok resolution, bro.
Ah.
Alright, and now you go to Google and then you search for something and then you copy paste in here.
We're gonna do this and we're gonna do a.
How does using an equipment look as an ability?
This is not
Maybe
an
like a hand.
Oh my god, this
This
guy.
is- I know this is not an equipment. This is the ability to use an equipment.
No, this is more or less just the. I'm trying to.
What the hell is this, bro? What's this? My guy's tweaking.
Don't worry about it. I'm fixing it. Yeah, like
You're
that.
fixing it, bro. What are you doing?
I don't know if
This
they
is
wanted.
like
Should it be 64 by 64 pixels? I think it should be.
No. That you're thinking ahead now, Lucas. This is a hypothetical issue. They all can be different resolutions, fitting to their needs.
Okay. What we're gonna do is we're gonna get a. What should like? I'm thinking like the primary. I know what we can do. Let's see. I can actually get this.
What ability are we doing?
It's the primary like shoot. For Benboso.
The primary shoot.
Yeah.
I want a secondary shoot.
Secondary, brother.
Yeah.
England, do you speak it?
England. England. Yes. The quadruple ability to shoot. That one.
The quadruple ability to shoot. Hmm.
The quadrupled. Yeah.
Can I do?
Blender.
Yeah, we're gonna do. I
Can
think
we
I'm-
do OOP in Blender? Yes, we can.
Right, can't
Just
find
Python.
it because I have moved. I have moved.
You have moved.
Yes.
You have moved. Oh yeah, you did move, really though.
Hmm. Yeah, that.
But that was a that was a long time ago at this point.
There.
So how's the new closet?
Oh, Ted. Hello, Ted. Welcome to the stream. What are you up to? I don't know which one is the gun.
No, bro, you're asking the wrong questions. You gotta be asking like, what are you wearing?
Oh, what are you wearing? Tell us
What is your real
Harold
name?
is interested to know what you're wearing.
No, I'm not interested. I don't really care, but I'm actually interested in looking at this ability to equip items.
He's interesting to know what you're wearing.
Yeah, very interesting. Yeah, okay. Yeah, thanks. I admire the honesty.
He's interested to know what you're wearing.
Whoa. Well, I mean, if you're asking, you know, nothing.
Oh wait,
No, not
structured
actually.
polymorphism creates a graph where there's an arrow from type A to type B. If B has
There's
the
an
proper
arrow?
if type
Where are
B
my
has the
arrows?
properties of A, inheritance means that each object has at most one arrow going to it, which means to
sounds
properly
boring.
describe data which has the characteristic of multiple things, you need to duplicate code. Yes.
Ah, well, that sounds like boring.
It sounds like UML.
UML? What's that about?
Yeah.
You
Oh
are
wait, no, you haven't, you don't know, bro. What? How do I?
Yeah, I don't know this OOP names, bro. I don't need to know them.
Yeah,
I
it's
use
actually
Zig
that
and
is actually pretty much a ULM. Oh my god, where the fuck did the shit? Oh my god, can I get this thing to be like a normal shit?
Oh yeah, this is great. Just very zoomed in. No, it's nice and crusty.
I don't think that's 64 by 64. I think there's a bit more pixels here, which I'm not seeing.
Oh, really? You think? Yeah, these pixels nowadays are pretty high res, you know.
Thank you. Okay, let's do a. I'm gonna Google
that
a
looks so
blast. I'm gonna Google a blast. guys.
Blast.
Yeah.
What?
And then we're gonna do. Is it exclamation mark to D to get DuckDuckGo? Yeah.
Yeah, bro really just a brave search in the big 26.
Oh,
Imagine using Brave. Ooh, American spyware. Ah, yes, AI stuff. I love it. This one looks like a blast.
Hey, it does look like a blast.
Look at it. Ah, yes, it's nuclear bomb.
Definitely. 100%. 100%.
Yes. You search.
I mean, we could take this. This one is not that bad.
No, that one sucks ass. What the hell is that?
Look.
Bro, that's a metal pipe.
No, bro. I will show you, bro. The shit. It's the shit, bro.
Oh yeah, this looks so good.
Don't worry about, bro. Fuck, wrong thing.
Oh yeah, Rose hit the gun instead. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Nailed it.
Yeah,
Nailed it.
this looks great. Bro, why don't you have the black thing where bro, what? Yeah, like that, and then you rotate it. Bro. What the hell
You mean like this?
Bro, this game, if it releases on Steam, you're gonna have to disclose that the art is ugly.
The art is ugly, bro. Very higher at 64x64 image. Yes. It is
Very high resolution
Right.
X86 64 image.
And I will also take this one.
Oh yeah, just add more and more effects.
It usually makes it good.
Yeah, bro is really like applying these Instagram filters to his PNGs right now.
You're getting it, you're getting it.
Yeah. Oh wow, that looks yes, beautiful. Looks like so... yeah, holy tough. Bro, what the hell? I didn't know you could mess up an image so easily. No, that looks boring.
Bar. Average Unreal image game. Unreal Engine.
Yeah, for real, bro. I do like that in the blue image is also there's a slight sliver at the bottom of the image where it's not applied. You see that, Lucas? It's really says something about the quality here, the quality standards that we have.
Fixed it.
Yeah, wow, it looks so cheap.
Thanks. I don't know. It's kind of
Bro's
like.
giving a blast.
Or should I take
Yeah,
a
it's barely-
burst? I'm putting too much effort into this. Too much. I think I will just go with this. It's good enough. Yeah, good enough. No such thing as too much effort. Well, depending on if you want to move forward. Let's see. Has it been removed? I need to shit. No! It's okay. Alright, and then we'll save it. I guess this is scrap deer. And we'll put it in images. And this will just be called, what shall we call it? We shall call it shoot. Don't let your dreams be dreams. Make your Mandelbrot gun. Yes, okay, you saw that. Yeah, it is Battlebrot. Let's see, I'm gonna
Alright,
document.
I'm back.
Welcome back.
Did you enjoy the peace and quiet?
Yes, please.
Why, too bad.
Shit. You couldn't keep
Yeah.
it that way.
No.
Yeah. We're gonna take one that is.
Ah yes, Lucas's desktop is exactly like his code.
This is not my desktop. I don't know what you're on about. I don't even have a desktop.
Alright, okay, so what am I looking at right now?
This is my desktop.
You know,
Peace
no,
and quiet.
That's your,
Yes.
that's your desk. Yeah, peace and quiet. Peace and quiet.
Peace and
You
quiet.
see, that's your desktop background image actually, and this is your desktop here. Yeah.
No, this is not my desktop. I don't even have a desktop.
What do you mean you don't have a desktop, bro?
I literally
Actually,
don't have a
wait.
desktop. That's what I'm saying.
Okay, so Hyperland. What is Hyperland?
It's a window manager.
Oh, really? Because I'm pretty sure it's a desktop environment.
No, I don't even have this.
Interesting.
Yeah. We're gonna put this in here. What did I call it? Shoot.
Oh shoot. Yeah, I'm gonna consume my bread, and you can have some peace and quiet for a second.
Oh, for
Yeah.
for a whole second, bro. You're too
Yeah, well,
generous.
okay. Now I'm done. Not. Anyways, have fun. Time. Yes.
Yes. Okay, so we're gonna put shoot in there. How about that? Let's go check it out. Wait, did I tell you I switched from Ars to Gento? No, you did not tell me that, or I guess you did now. When did you switch? Tell us, when did you do the switch? How long ago? I think we will have to restart this because we want to load the texture on startup. Should we? It's not the same thing. It's not the same thing. I wonder how should I? It's a skill, but I don't want. Should I store a texture with the skill? It's a bit weird, I guess. But I kind of wouldn't need to do it, wouldn't I?
Want to be the best.
Yo, hello, Damon. How are you, Damon? Are you
Yo,
good, Damon?
Damon, before you say anything, Damon, please go to coding real quick and vote, okay? It's a very important vote.
Oh my god.
Hyperland
Yeah.
is not a desktop environment. Things
Oh,
like
easy.
GNOME
A.
and the KDE
No,
are
A,
though.
B.
I switched around a month ago. I switched to NixOS January,
What the
but
hell
it
is
was
that,
too ass.
Definitely got to be a B. Oh, what? These lose.
Yeah, Damon joined B.
Yeah, he's a very serious contestant here. Both of them.
He is.
Okay,
he
what
is.
did you say about Hyperland not being a desktop environment?
Hyperland
Let's
is
just
not
put
the...
it. B has more words that start with B, right? But like A, like there's more words that have A in it. So it's like I don't know. Like
We cannot know for
I don't
sure.
think any of them.
But yeah, so...
Okay, so Hyperland is not a desktop environment, you say?
Things
What
like
is it?
GNOME and KDE are though.
Oh, really? So is Hyperland not a desktop environment?
Hello, Shadow Fungi. Salutations.
Hello,
What?
Shadow
Can
Fungi.
somebody? What does salute? Is it like salute? Salutations.
hello.
Hello.
Just hello.
I don't know. It's a salutations.
Wait, only
Basically
switched
saying
around a
hello.
month ago to Gento. Switched to NixOS January, but it was too ass. Is NixOS actually? I've heard only good
Gentoo.
things about
Yeah,
NixOS.
I've heard a lot of bad stuff about NixOS.
Oh shit. Well,
Like
that
nothing
sucks.
working. And Gen 2 I've heard about a lot of bad stuff as well. Like you have to compile everything.
Yeah, that's. I would like to use Gento, but thing is that you have to compile everything. I'm like, I don't know if I want to do that. That takes so fucking long. Like,
Compile with my compile. What?
what is the? Is it like compiling? Is it Firefox or like which browser is it that takes like a day or so? No, is it GCC or what? No, what is the thing that somebody told
Have
me?
a fun time.
Wait, where you going?
Where are you going? He just died. Finally, peace and quiet. NixOS is only good for declarative servers, in my opinion. Declarative servers. Wait, what are declarative servers? Hyperland is a compositor similar to an XML window manager. Yeah, exactly. It's not a desktop. But what's a declarative server? Is it like a server that says it's a server, or what is it? Let's see. I was trying to do the. I want to do hard game. And I want to show. I want to show the action bar. Here we go. But actually, it's more the items that I'm interested in to work with. Add
He's a bozo.
game as
Ben
an
bozo.
item kind.
He's a bozo. A Ben bozo.
Ben Bozo.
He's a bozo. Ben bozo.
Because I need to add like a texture or make a convenient way now to actually get textures that are like some other specific handles, not like based on item. They should be get item texture or something like that, not just get, because getting based on item kind is kind of bad. Wait. A declarative server is a server where everything can be reproduced from a single file. Okay. NixOS, it's a massive struggle bus to use application downloaded off the internet. Including some flat packs apparently cause Hightail broke on me, and that's what broke me to broke me to Gento. Okay, interesting. I thought flatpaks were environment agnostic, but I don't know. Yeah. I wanted something more stable than Arch, so I switched to Open Sussy Tumbleweed and used DistroBox a lot more frequently. What is? I've never heard about. Is it like Open S use, Open Software use, or what? What is it? I haven't heard about that one before. Same here, but apparently it's not partially distro agnostic. This Linux operating system for desktop servers and containers. Okay. It's pronounced Open Sussay.
Baka.
Baka. Oh, it has desktop as well. Okay. Tumbleweed for developers opens contributes gamers and Linux enthusiasts rolling release with latest packages provided by Open Source project. Oh, interesting. Okay. App Armor. Okay.
Wait, what the fuck? That's actually weird. Discord won't let you share your camera unless you allow all cameras. If I just give it access to one, it says, "Oh, you little fucker."
Yeah, Discord's a little bit interesting with a lot of its
Yeah, we should migrate off of
implementation.
Discord
For
ASAP,
real.
to be honest.
Because apparently with Discord, you communicate like with it for making like an application. You communicate it with a socket, or not socket, a file. Well, I guess it's FD file descriptor, and apparently it creates one when an instance of Discord goes stale, it's still there, and then it creates just another one. So it it's like it just keeps them there. So you have to check which one of those are actually active right now, and then use that one to communicate with it. It's like, what the fuck?
It also doesn't let you properly it doesn't let you screen share at all, video at all, if you're on the web app, at least what I've experienced. Let me see.
Wait, Susu. This DistroBox is a Docker Podman based tool to use programs from other distros. Thank you. Very cool. I mean, what we could do still for this one case, I'm just gonna do it like this because I don't really need it any more dynamic than that. Just straight out, I'm gonna call it shoot entry. And then we can do this. Shoot entry. Alright, we need to also do we could probably do it right here. We wouldn't have to do this, but that's okay. And then we can just say, you can say shoot shoot.png. And with this, we can also now make a same like this. Shoot. And then we can just do entry. like so. And now we can access that. It's a dumb way to do it, but it's fast enough to just try it, and then we can think about how to make it more dynamic. We're gonna go into HUD and then the game, and then in here we are now gonna go to the action bar. Boom. And then we're gonna take this one is the primary one, so we know that this is the one we're gonna work with. Probably do wanna put it. Well, yeah, I do already have it white, so I could just do that. Texture is equal to assets. Should be. Look like itself. How do I get assets? Pretty sure it's just that. Game assets. Okay. Well, I guess it actually makes sense. Yeah. It should be inside. Right, I do have to do textures and then that. Yeah. Textures should. Like so. And that should just work. Let's see. Wow, there's the beautiful beautiful. We probably could change the color also to not be red anymore. It's a bit weird. I think probably like gray or something would be pretty cool. Maybe even a little bit of transparency. How about that? Maybe that's a bit too much, but let's see. How is ZTLS nowadays? Does it update as the file changed without writing to a buffer? I don't know how ZTLS work. For me, it just it's just bad sometimes. That's all I know. It's for me it doesn't really work sometimes. Sometimes it works, but I don't know how it works. I haven't really read in to the how ZTLS work. I just hope that it does. Or in general, I don't know much about actually how like the language servers work, how they parse or anything like that. I just know that you add them to the the config, and then that's it. You're good to go. I have never read further about those things. Just that, and I'm happy. So, well, sometimes I'm happy. Maybe black is better. And then probably not the red. I guess that's alright.
Right, so what do we have here? A bunch of crap. Yes, thank you.
Lamau, Todd Howard method for using software, it just works. Yes, just works.
But Lucas doesn't like that.
No, I like when it works. Well, I just like when it works. I don't care.
Okay, so Lucas, the poll is in. So we have 3 votes for A, and it's by me, Sorbit, and Misu, right? All the goats. And then on B we have Lucas, we have Damon, which is, you know.
But then it's basically
really count.
Damon counts as 3 votes
troll.
because he's just so extra, you know.
No, but you see, Damon is too goated, so he knows, like, you know, he's trolling, right? And then we have Donald Wurtel, which is just trolling and not the goat.
I don't think Donald would ever be trolling, man. I think it's quite obvious here that you got the gods there
but
voting
it's
for.
free, bro. It's free. So we need one deciding person to vote, which is Tishov. So I'll ping him.
Hell no. You know what Tishov is gonna vote on. CodeFox is also here in the call. Gee, I didn't even know this. Welcome, CodeFox.
Yo, CodeFox, do you wanna vote?
CodeFox, CodeFox do wanna vote. I think he will make the right choice.
the shows.
The
you know.
shows, yeah, we will do the right shows.
The poll closed, but you know, if you can just write A or B in the coding channel.
Yeah,
chat.
see, we do know what we want, right? Make a good decision.
What we want is to not let slippery sloop us. slip away.
Yeah, we do want to get shit done here. That's the priority, right? So
Oh yeah, I get it done by writing 10 lines that take so much more effort and time than just writing a 4. Yeah, okay.
I don't know, man. I don't know what this guy is on about. I'm just saying that he's not on it.
You know, I have disproven your shenanigans before, so this will happen. I will, you know.
What will you do? What will you do? Tell me what you will do. Yeah, exactly
Crash.
nothing.
Mr. Laban, can you check the voice chat?
The voice chat? Wrong portal, Val. Wait, what? I'm doing there to play this sound.
Yeah,
Okay,
maybe.
Codefox has voted A,
Wow.
so Codefox is the GOAT, you know? Everyone already knew he was the GOAT, but it's
Wait. Wait, you created this just now?
Yeah.
Ah, why is bro actually cooking?
Whoa. Yo, that's fire, bro. What the fuck? You just did this
Yeah.
like right now? What the fuck?
Yeah, in LMMS.
Bro,
What?
Planetary Sigma is not deserving of this.
Yeah, this
Oh,
this
I guess
this, this is too good quality, man. How could you?
Yeah.
This is like zero effort. This is like actually zero effort.
It's fire.
Oh,
Holy
it's like
shit.
look at this code base.
Wait.
Yes, exactly. And here I actually do that because we can't in LMMS we don't have a concept of, we don't have a concept of loops. Like you can't have loops, you have to copy paste.
Oh, perfect.
Yes, exactly. So it fits perfectly in. You have to manually copy paste all of your shit. to
Wait,
get
the
loops.
Yeah.
my Omni also said, "Yo, gem found for real. It's a gem."
You put
One
it in the
gem.
code.
You put the what?
What do you mean Omni?
Omni is the guy, the legend in the kick chat right now.
Oh,
True,
okay.
but also Lucas, can we please add audio settings?
Oh, we need to add
Perhaps.
audio settings.
Yeah,
Right.
and you're gonna hard code those because you haven't done compile time. Yeah, we know.
Right, but we haven't really run into the problem of having audio settings because we never had audio before. That's pretty crazy,
Yeah,
right?
no, I mean, if we had compile time, then we could just generate the UI at compile time, like the functions that would be called, you know, and then it would just be way nicer. Yeah, but that's just too much effort. Now
It is pretty much.
and
I don't know.
hypothetical issue.
But I mean, I don't know. Do you wanna make for the audio just to show how
I
it would
don't
look?
want to do this.
If you do it for audio and it looks good, I will add it for every other option as well.
No, you would just have one structure with all the options inside of it. It's like it's a all or nothing deal, you know.
I don't know, man.
Bro,
I
it's
can't really see how
easy.
it would work with the compile time because I'm like, does it even? Like, there's so much complexity to it.
Okay, I'm gonna write a little example for you, right? And then we can see, you know, all right?
All right. Wait. Codefox says hi. Hello, Codefox. How are you? What are you up to? And then Omni is on it with spitting facts. Sig users trying to find a way to use compile time for everything. Yeah, freaking crazy, bro.
What do you mean? It's the goats. It's just the goats. Like compile time isn't for everything. It's just for the stuff that you know would your life would be improved and you would save time. But I guess Lucas doesn't really like the concept of saving time. So
First, the game just straight up doesn't work on my system. No, it's only for Vulkan 1.3 right now. There's a guy who is working on support for Vulkan 1.0. So it's actually looking pretty good. Wait, I probably can show. Wait, let me see if I can find some images. He also DM'd me just in a bit. It's not really an OS, but it's a blah blah blah. Good night. It sent good night. Yeah. It's looking all right. It's getting there. It's getting there. Let me show you guys how it looks. It's something. Second, I want to learn Sig. Do you have some terrible advice?
Oh, don't listen to Lucas, please.
Who
If you want
asked?
to learn Sig, just look in the standard library of Sig, okay? Just look around there.
This
or
is
do
how
Sig links,
Vulkan 1.0 support looks right now.
Yeah, it looks like Lucas's code base like visualized.
This guy won't just let it be. Jesus Christ.
No.
Comp time preferred for you, I would just bloat the binary for one-time computation that takes a fraction of a
Bro,
second.
it's gonna result in the exact same thing at runtime, except that it's just gonna be nicer at compile time, and developer experience is gonna be way better.
Well, then
It's
no,
gonna
because
be the exact same.
but then you always have to do when you try to add something new, you must have to think of a way of how to make it generic enough so you can add the new thing that you want. It's only if you add something that you already.
No. Should always just keep things simple and have it do exactly what you need it to do. Never add layers of complexity for things you think might happen or might. You know, unless you've done it like a billion times and you know what's going to be coming, you shouldn't be preparing yourself for things that will not exist.
See, exactly.
Just like
But Damon, you don't get what Lucas is doing, alright? Don't give him don't encourage him, alright? Like you don't know what like, bro. There are places where Lucas should do. Like I get your point, Damon, right? And I agree. But also Lucas goes way too extreme and he doesn't make anything generic at all ever.
I
So
do
it's
make
like-
things. Have you seen my UI?
Bro, they are not generic, alright?
They
They're
are
half
generic.
functioning.
They are generic, bruh.
No, bro. Do you have a generic thing to do? I don't know, a toggle or something?
interaction.
You just ask if this is hovered or toggled, then you do something else. That's it.
Doesn't sound very generic to me.
It is.
Anyways.
I don't hard code a button or anything like that. I just say that you can just create a quad and you do what you do.
Yeah,
do.
sure, buddy.
Yeah, exactly.
Whatever you say, man. Whatever you say.
Anyways,
I think Lucas is generic.
I'm pretty generic.
Yeah.
I wanted to change the no these ones, but I was thinking how
Nuts,
could I?
though.
Sorry.
What?
What?
Huh?
What? Never add layers of a complexity for things that might not happen. Haskellers in shambles.
Yeah,
Do they add like things for that might never happen? Oh my god.
But Lucas, you're adding stuff only ever if you see it happen, not if it's possible to happen. right?
Yeah,
Like,
only
even
if I
there's
see
a
it
high
happen, then
probability.
yeah.
Yeah, only if there is. Okay, but guys, Lucas basically those who aren't aware or know a lot about Vulkan, there's like different percent modes, right? And Mailbox is the best one, and FIFO is like the worst one, and then there's FIFO Relax, which is also really shit, right? And Lucas is just selecting FIFO Relaxed always, right? Because Mailbox isn't supported on all platforms, right? And so there's a hypothetical problem to have Mailbox. So why you not use
I mean,
FIFO, right?
You-
And so now everyone lives with shitty percent mode, right? So everyone is suffering from Lucas's decisions.
I mean, 60 FPS is 60 FPS.
You have to
Yeah.
play his game in order to suffer. Like I don't.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. Yeah, but there's no you can't suffer more, I guess. So
Oh no! What happened?
everything happened.
Third, thank you for using Zig and not Rust. I don't know. I don't really have any hate directed towards Rust, but I haven't tried it enough to have an opinion, I would say.
You used Rust back in the day, Luger.
I used it for the space time. What was it called?
Space time,
Yeah.
yes, space time dog water.
But not like enough to actually do too much with it, to be honest. Like I barely touched it.
Yeah, that's what she said. Anyways, yeah.
All right. So And then I want something to illustrate the scatter shoot thingy. I guess we could group this one. Let's see, we can group and we can call this shoot. Well, now I'll call this whole thing shoot, I just realized. So that's fantastic.
Oh shoot.
Oh shoot, exactly, you get it, bro. Let's see. What are we gonna do for the... It's kind of like scatter. I'm gonna see if I can find something with that. So I'm gonna take it over to this screen. Oh shit, I broke the thing. No! Well, it's okay. We'll just take this one instead. Scatter. Then we'll take this. And then as Haskell lover and type lover, I'm upset Rust doesn't go far enough, and also there's an issue with Rust lifetime because it's not type theoretically sound, which causes memory leaks. What? How is it, memory management also in Rust? Like, do you...
References.
Like, do you ever do, like, allocations? Like, how... I don't know. Do you have, like, heap and stack?
I don't know. It's just magic.
It's just magic, okay.
Yeah,
Black.
this is magic.
Magic.
Very black magic, actually. Yeah.
Well, this looks great.
Or does it?
Oh wait, I was supposed to check this one, not... okay, whoops. Let's see if we can find something on light abstract. Could we work with something that would say like quote unquote Rust sucks because complexity is not equal safety.
Bro, complexity always safety. Yes. Monkey see complexity, monkey see safety.
Complexity is pretty fire. I don't know.
Yeah, I know you like complexity, bro.
No, I hate
We know it.
complexity. I like
You
clarity.
love.
Bro, I don't
Bro,
use a
that's the
single
funniest thing you've
function
ever
pointer.
said.
You use function
Bro.
pointers everywhere.
Oh, bro, function pointers. That's
Yeah.
the least of your problems, bro.
Though those are so freaking annoying. You
Bro,
lose
you
track. You
say
just
that-
see an update and you're like, I have no idea what this update is supposed to mean. It's just somebody trust me on this one.
Yeah, so you mean that, bro? I prefer you have your I prefer if your functions are function pointers because they aren't, right, but they look like it, you know. World not ready. Yeah, what is ready, bro? The world, is the world ready? Okay.
World that's ready?
Yeah.
What do you
A
mean?
function,
Ready?
you know, that you had a function.
Oh
ready
no,
in the
that
world.
one is still like it's a dummy test. It's not a real function.
Oh yeah, but okay, so you're telling me that your entire code base is a dummy test.
No, I add things when
Okay.
I need to try things out. I don't really care that much about.
Mm.
But it's still better than creating a function pointer for that.
But you don't have to make function pointers for everything, alright? But you can do it for some things that
No,
actually
no.
make sense, you know. But you
It's
don't like things
rare.
making
It's rare to
sense.
find something where they make sense.
Yeah, it is rare, but it still happens. But I guess that's a hypothetical issue. So
Mm.
we don't do that.
Yeah, no, we don't. I'm still trying to find like something that could be illustrating the smoke or smoke. It's like the scatter gun. Just take a picture of this thing, right? And just do that. Like, it's pretty much what I would like to do. But I can't find. What else could coral light background? Those usually have pretty good ones. We could take that. No, it's not really it. Is it like slice, maybe? I don't know. More like too bloody. Bloody, too bloody, too bloody. Shatter? Well, that's not it. Could almost work with that. Why is it so hard to find the right thing? Or could I make it somehow? I mean, it's basically the same thing almost. It's just... Could I maybe reuse it? We could take it like this, right? I think that could work. And then we could take... Could keep it actually there. And then we could change this with a... Could do this. Let's see, there should be a... What's blur? Lens? No. I'm trying to find... Did this? It is actually, wait, it's actually supposed to be on this thing, and I would take this one above, and then...
Yo,
Shit.
Lubber.
Yeah?
Slippery Sloopus. Look at my stream.
Wait, just a sec. Let me get the...
Get the...
Yeah, the... Nah, this is not it. Okay, I can look at your stream.
Yes, okay.
Just a
See
sec,
it?
just a sec.
Okay.
I'm streaming your stream, by the way.
Yeah, that's great, Okay. So, basically, we have the setting structure, right?
Mhm.
We have the secrets, the super secret furry options, right? We have
Mhm.
graphics options here and audio. So these are like
Yeah.
the categories, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Why you laughing? Is something funny?
Yeah, I thought that there is audio instead of settings because I don't have audio yet.
Oh, that was so fun. Oh, okay. So you see, bam. To be here, move forward is a key, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Keys, and then you can do the toggle or the listening shit, whatever. And then you have the graphics, you know, anti-aliasing, and with the different options, you know. Right? And you see
Mhm.
those are the options, right? And then here we have audio, which is volume slider, right? But maybe we want to have this as an integer instead. Well, then we can do that. And bam, now we just have a normal slider and not a smooth one. You see? And this is the code. It's not too much. I know the prints, they're pretty ugly, but there is because some prints, you know, but you can just have it like...
Oh, look at all of those inline for loops.
Oh yeah, those are inline for loops you don't like. I know you don't like them, but
Yeah, I
you
really
have to
don't
do
like
them.
it. It's
But
rare
this
where
is
I
not
do
too
like.
bad. But you just don't like stuff that's good, okay? But you see here we have the category. I think you could even make like this and then that. Wow, what a great long line here.
True.
We can just do. I mean, yeah, whatever. Doesn't matter.
Underscore
It's
equals.
yeah. It's just so it won't format, but it works. Yeah.
That's one of the places where I screw a random value fresh from my ass as a comment.
Yeah. This is into nothing. But yeah, I mean, you get the point.
Yeah, I do.
Right? So
I
if
do.
basically here is if it's a key, right?
Yeah.
And if it's an enum, right, then it's like the like drop down, you know,
Mm-hmm.
right? Drop down, and float is a slider, right? And the int is probably a slider as well, or you could have like a text or input thing, but you probably won't have that. So yeah.
But it. I mean, I guess, but it's a little bit bad of an assumption to make that.
That.
Yeah, because now you're restricted to these things. I don't know.
But bro, but you're thinking about hypothetical issues right now, actually.
Yeah. How do
Yeah,
you, because how do you do the,
Do the Did he just die again?
No, I'm thinking. I'm trying to map it with what I got.
Do you mean like assignment stuff? Because you can just have like settings, right?
Mhm.
Settings, and that's the defaults,
Mhm.
right? And then in like here, right? You know, you can do like a UI and then I don't know, drop down or something, right? And then here you have the result or something, right?
Mhm.
Yeah, this is high level, so yeah. And then what you would do is you do field, right? And then you do as well, yeah, settings, and then it's technically field again. I know this kind of scuffed here, but it makes sense. So we have category,
Yeah.
and then we want to access this here, so it is option name, right? And then just equal results.
Wait,
Right, and
The chat says a few things just so we. It's rare where function pointer makes sense. Haskell is in shambles. Did somebody say category? And whoa, hey, hello, Philippi. Philippi, destroy destroy. Not destroy. I wanted to read destroy. Sorry, man. But hello, look, I still have your picture on my fridge. Just come to say this. Oh my god, thank you. I guess it's impressive actually. Wow. I remember you. I remember when you got that. Was it in the ping pong tournament you got that picture?
that's what ping
It's a
pong-
guy
I don't know.
who I went to school with who I think
Oh, okay.
I bet a picture of myself that he has on his fridge right now. This is like
Damn.
years back. I don't know how many is it,
Bro
like
really went to school with this
4
guy to
years?
then look at his stream. Damn.
Yeah, to look at your code. Damn.
My code, yeah. This is clean code, you know. But Lucas, no, bro. I swear, like if you had to do group assignments with this guy,
Good,
more you, bro.
Niach. What is this window manager Harold is using?
What?
Yeah, what is this?
Oh, GNOME is a piece of shit. Don't use GNOME, please.
True.
But yeah, you see here, now I do the assignment and
Mhm.
with the result, and I'm just assigning it to MSAA X4, whatever, right? And if I
Mhm.
run it, oh, what is this? Oh, settings, graphics, anti-aliasing. Oh, wow, that's crazy.
That is pretty crazy.
Yeah.
GNOME question mark? Is that
GNOME.
GNOME? Yes.
Yeah.
GNOME.
Ta-da. Yes. Bunch of nice stuff. Yeah, my user is called user.
No
I know.
way.
Yeah. And over here we have VM. This is here. Matter. Garbage.
Yeah.
Absolutely trash. And we have GNOME.
5070?
GNOME.
Yo.
You guys didn't see anything. Why does the terrible
He's
stay
rich,
like
guys.
this?
He's rich. Steal his
Me?
money.
No. I'm not rich. No.
Steal his money. He's rich.
I am not rich, bro. I swear.
He got a
Yeah, I know.
5070.
Yeah, don't ask how I acquired that. That is irrelevant to this.
He gets such a good salary working for me.
Yeah, sure, buddy. You know,
Um,
with all the salary I've paid you, I mean that you've paid me, you know. Yeah, I can't even buy a hot dog.
Yeah, a good job, Doc.
Yeah, not even a Gucci hot dog, bro.
Not you. Wait, I bet you're using a lot of extensions for GNOME. What are you using to get this?
To get what? GNOME
Yep.
extensions.
Plus, it's Ubuntu, so -1 point. CodeFox
Oh.
doesn't approve. Sorry, Harold.
Yeah, Ubuntu is pretty bad, but everything else is worse. So
Well, Arch is pretty fire.
there's nothing. No, it's not. But GNOME, bro, extensions, bro. That's the funniest thing I've heard. Except Lucas saying that he likes that he hates complex code. But you know,
I hate complex code.
Yeah, sure, buddy.
Hello,
sure.
Kayal. Welcome.
It happens that all of your code is highly complex.
No, it's pretty straightforward.
No. Really,
Uh,
really isn't, bro.
It really is though.
You say okay. Let's look at some Lucas code here. Okay.
We don't have to do that.
No.
You have to do a
like,
git
you have to.
pull. Oh wait, but do it on the Lucas first, not the master. It's the yeah.
Oh, the master is not good or what?
Yeah, the master is not good.
Oh well, there doesn't seem to be a git Lucas now, is there?
Yeah, there you go.
Okay, let's git pull. Yeah, his naming convention for his branches is about as good as the code.
Wait. Oh wait, is this what the guy meant by UI comp time? I thought he meant that you would pre-render the UI, generating UI based on types of setting makes perfect sense. Yeah.
Yeah, no, that's
Okay,
that's
wait.
retarded.
Gentoo is the goat, but it's advanced and you compile everything. Windows
Gentoo
users
is
are
just either superior to complex or dumb, or is lost. Yeah.
Okay, honestly, now we're just back at You're too good at rage baiting
but-
me. I need to get back to coding, bro.
Okay, bro. Look at
No,
this
no,
highly readable code here. Yes, hates complexity. Yes. Well, I guess the code isn't very complex if you break it down, but it's just really convoluted, so it feels very complex.
Well, that's true.
Yeah, that's true. Okay, well, yeah, it's good that we can be on the same page.
So I use it with Hyperland. Wait, what? Gentoo is the goat, but it's advanced and you compile everything, so I use it with Hyperland. Okay.
Advanced.
I
Yeah,
think
bro. My Ubuntu is highly advanced as well compared to Windows. So yeah.
let me
All
now
Linux distros are very
try to
complex.
get this thing
Get
to
that.
work. I'm trying to get just
the code base.
then I want to get it to be where the fuck? Oh, I guess we could do something like that. Nah, I want to get the. Here it is. It's a. Is it Vibrance that I want?
Vibe coded.
No,
Yes.
Vibrance. And I'm trying to find like to get it a little bit like yellowish, but it's not. Not that. What is it called? It's something with the color balance. I guess we could do that and just take the more this to this thing and. No. Oh, that works still. But it's still not quite it. Let's see. Selective color. Can we do something with this? Doesn't do shit. Ah, wait, but nah. Okay. I mean, it's kind of what I wanted, but not really. Exposure. Sure. Not. No, not it. Lucas got a mustache. Yeah, it is growing. It is growing. It is. Oh, this is actually more what I wanted. Pretty good. Then we could go with that for now. We'll go with that. And I need to deselect everything, and then we'll just alongside document, and I will just call it spread. What I call it. Port. And we'll take it here, there, and we'll go to images. And then we'll go to assets, textures, and spread, move it there, boom. Then we can do the same thing here. We should probably start making it to a more, it's fine still for now, but we should probably start making something more accessible. Then I'm gonna call it just this spread speed, spread entry. Am I dead on Discord? No, I'm not. Okay, Harold just And then we're gonna do spread. Call it that. And we're gonna change this one to spread entry. And we do need to restart this because it's not gonna compile. It's not gonna load it immediately. And then we need to. I think we could actually. No, we cannot do it while that is on because we don't have access to the deer. Yeah, no. So I do need to do it like that. Maybe I could change it. Well, I'm still gonna remove it from here, so it doesn't matter. Spread. Where did the music go? And that should be pretty much it. So now we can launch with this and we should be all fine. Boom. And then we can change the logic inside of game to, we do have, well, this is also, well, we don't have that problem yet. We're probably gonna get to it, but that's later. We got this. And what we're gonna do is change this to a 1, and then we're gonna do this texture is equal to game asset textures, and then we can call spread like so, and then we can change also the cooldown to just become this. And I think that will be pretty much it. So there, now we got the... And then the... Well, probably don't want it to be red. Yeah, that... Yeah, just up there. Good. Should I also put the time, how much there is still? I would probably like to change to 6 though. Both. I'm gonna head out. Have a good stream. Thank you, Omni. I'm probably also gonna get going real soon. Oh, well, not yet. Not yet, but I'm about. Well, actually, it's pretty much about now. Should we let Harold say his ending messages?
Huh.
I'm gonna go in here, consider Harold.
I never want to say bye.
UI impl. Alright. You gonna say bye? Alright. Goodbye everyone, take care. Harold will be playing music now.
Adrian. Island boy, and I've been trying to make. Oh, I'm an island.